Cleansing the body can have numerous benefits for our health and well-being, such as improved digestion, increased energy, and strengthened immunity. But with so many different detox and cleansing methods out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we're going to focus on one practice that's easy, accessible, and effective: intermittent fasting. By the end of this video, you'll understand what intermittent fasting is, how it works, and how it can help you achieve a deeper level of cleansing for both your body and mind. So keep watching to learn more. Intermittent fasting is a practice that involves alternating periods of eating with periods of fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting is more about when you eat. There are several different ways to practice intermittent fasting, but the most common is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. During the fasting period, your body goes into a state of ketosis, which means it starts to burn fat for energy instead of glucose. This can help to eliminate toxins and waste products from your body, resulting in a deeper level of cleansing. Intermittent fasting has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, lower inflammation, and promote autophagy, a process where your body cleans up and recycles damaged cells. Intermittent fasting can seem daunting at first, but it doesn't have to be difficult. There are several different types of intermittent fasting, including the 16-8 method, the 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting, among others. You can choose the one that works best for your lifestyle and goals. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's best to start slowly and gradually increase the length of your fasting period. You can also make sure to stay hydrated and consume plenty of nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. It's important to note that intermittent fasting is not a starvation diet, and it's not recommended for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new diet or exercise regimen. With the right guidance and support, intermittent fasting can be a safe and effective way to cleanse your body and improve your overall health. Intermittent fasting is known for its numerous benefits for the body. This eating pattern involves alternating periods of eating and fasting, which can lead to significant changes in the body's metabolism and cellular process. By giving the digestive system a break, intermittent fasting can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and support weight loss. During the fasting period, the body burns stored fat for energy, leading to a decrease in body fat percentage. Intermittent fasting can also regulate blood sugar levels and decrease insulin resistance, which can help prevent type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting can also boost the immune system by decreasing the number of damaged cells and increasing the production of new cells. During the fasting period, the body triggers a process called autophagy, which involves the breakdown and recycling of damaged cells. This process can improve the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. One of the most remarkable benefits of intermittent fasting is the promotion of autophagy, the cellular cleansing process that occurs during fasting. Autophagy involves the removal of damaged and dysfunctional proteins and cellular components, which can lead to improved cellular function and longevity. Studies have shown that autophagy can help prevent age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. In summary, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for cleansing the body and improve overall health. By reducing inflammation, supporting weight loss, boosting immunity, and promoting cellular cleansing, intermittent fasting can help individuals achieve optimal health and wellness. Intermittent fasting can offer several benefits for the mind, including mental clarity and focus. By giving your digestive system a break, your body can direct its energy toward other processes, such as cognitive function. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve brain function, increase the production of the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and support a positive mindset. Additionally, fasting has spiritual benefits that can promote a sense of inner peace and connection. Many religions incorporate fasting as a practice for spiritual purification and growth. Fasting can help one develop discipline and self-control, which can translate into other areas of life. It can also offer a time for reflection and introspection, helping individuals connect with their spirituality and purpose. Overall, the benefits of intermittent fasting extend beyond just physical health and can positively impact mental and spiritual well-being as well. In conclusion, intermittent fasting is a powerful practice that can completely cleanse your body. By abstaining from food for a set period of time, you give your body the opportunity to enter a state of autophagy, which it can repair and rejuvenate itself on a cellular level. Intermittent fasting has numerous benefits for the body, including improved digestion, boosted immunity, and weight loss support. It also has benefits for the mind, such as improved mental clarity and focus, as well as promoting a sense of inner peace and connection. If you're interested in trying intermittent fasting, there are different types to choose from, and you can ease into it with the help of tips and tricks. It's also important to address common misconceptions and concerns about intermittent fasting, such as the fear of feeling hungry or the belief that it will slow down your metabolism. Incorporating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle can be a game changer for your health and well-being. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? And if you want to learn more about health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content.